worked for Santa these many long years, and now I'm in charge of dispersing my peers. My name is Gozzle, the North Pole's lead elf, and I'm going to read you The Elf on the Shelf. Have you ever wondered how Santa could know if you're naughty or nice each year as you grow? For hundreds of years, it's been a secret. It now can be shared if you promise to keep it. At holiday time, Santa sends me to you. I watch and report on all that you do. My job's an assignment from Santa himself. I am his helper, a friendly scout elf. The first time I come to the place you call home, you quickly must give me a name of my own. Once you are finished, my mission can start. What will you call me? Markle or Zart? Will it be Foddle, Criddle, or Clyde? Fizby's cute too, but you must decide. Each night while you're sleeping, to Santa I'll fly. To the North Pole, right through the dark sky. Of course, Christmas magic helps me to be quick. I laugh with my friends and report to Saint Nick. I tell him if you have been good or been bad. The news of the day makes him happy or sad. A push or a shove I'll report to the boss. But small acts of kindness will not be a loss. In the car, at the park, or even at school, the word will get out if you broke a rule. I'll be back at your home before you awake, and then you must find the new spot I will take. You'll jump out of bed and come running to see who'll be the first to spy little old me. Maybe the kitchen, the bathroom, or den is where you will find me, your special elf friend. I can hide on a plant, a shelf, or a frame. Where will I be? Let's make it a game. There's only one rule that you have to follow, so I will come back and be here tomorrow. Please do not touch me. My magic might go, and Santa won't hear all I've seen or I know. I won't get to tell him that you've said your prayers, or helped bake cookies, or cleaned off the stairs. How will he know how good you have been? He might start to think you forgot about him. I can't speak to you, so says Santa Claus. All of us elves have to follow his laws. I'll listen to you. Tell me your wishes. Would you like a game or some tiny toy dishes? The gleam in my eye and my bright little smile shows you I'm listening and noting your file. The final decision with Santa now rests. What do you think? Will you get your request? The night before Christmas, my job's at an end. The rest of the year with Santa I'll spend. So blow me a kiss and bid me farewell. I'll fly away when I hear Santa's bell. Of course I will miss you, but wait till next year. When the holidays come, I'll again reappear. Until then, I wish every girl and each boy a Christmas of peace and a year full of joy.
Here's a Christmas secret, kids, oh please be sure to keep it. Santa Claus is counting on you all. Every year at Christmas, Santa sends his elves to watch you, and they go back and tell him who's been bad and who's been good.
The elf on the shelf is watching you, what you say and what you do. The elf on the shelf is watching you each and every Christmas. He knows if you've been good or bad and how many cookies you have had. The elf on the shelf is watching you each and every Christmas.
Each night when you're asleep, I fly to Santa's side and tell him whether you have told the truth or if you lied. I hope that you've been good, 'cause Santa likes to see Little boys and girls with lots of presents by the tree. Christmas magic helps to make me quick for going back and forth between your house and old St. Nick.
The elf on the shelf is watching you, what you say and what you do. The elf on the shelf is watching you each and every Christmas.
I come back to your home before you are awake. Then you will have to find the newest place that I will take. It could be in the bath, I may be in a shoe. We'll play Christmas hide and seek together, me and you. Please remember to give me a name. That's the first thing you must do before we start our game.
The elf on the shelf is watching you, what you say and what you do. The elf on the shelf is watching you each and every Christmas.
I'll listen to your wish and note it in your file. You'll know that I'm listening when you see my little smile. When Christmas Eve is here, my job is at an end, and I'll go back to Santa Claus and all my other friends. I've got to go now that my work is through. I hope the wishes you have made this year will all come true.
The elf on the shelf is watching you, what you say and what you do. The elf on the shelf is watching you each and every Christmas. The elf on the shelf is watching you, what you say and what you do. The elf on the shelf is watching you each and every Christmas. When Santa rings his bell, he'll disappear. But don't you fret, 'cause you can bet that